Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jana Short, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a lead generator that is going to be fun, people are going to enjoy, they're going to share with their friends, and has the possibilities of going viral for you and your brand. So thank you so much. Get ready. Watch this all the way to the end because some incredible tips are at the end. And you guys don't watch a video to the end. Sometimes you miss the best part. I'm going to try to make sure that I make this short and super easy and fun for you. So stay tuned. Okay, real quickly, why do we need a lead generator? It's super important for us to start collecting emails because we do not own our YouTube channel. We don't own our Instagram or TikTok. At any time, it could be shut down on us. And how do you reach out to all those followers that you work so hard and spend so much time and money collecting? Having an email is super fun and easy and a great way to collect names so that if something like that were to happen to you, got hacked, you got shut down for some reason or paused, you can send an email out to everyone you've collected and re-engage with them and send them to wherever you want to drive your traffic to. So let's find out how to create a lead generation that really works. One of the funnest things right now out there is doing quizzes and assessments. Quizzes are so fun. And I know you guys have all seen it. What Disney princess am I, right? What shade of lipstick looks best on me? I don't know. There's so many fun ones out there. And not only do I get obsessed with it, I call it my brain dead zone. I get obsessed with it, but so do other people. And here's the magical part about it. When they take the quiz, it is so fun because they want to share it with their friends. Look, I took this quiz. This is what the answer was. See what you get. And people start sharing them all over the place and they go kind of viral. And it's a great way for you to have a lead generator. So let me share my screen and show you a little bit about how I use it, how I build these incredible quizzes that bring in tons of information to me. Not only am I getting their emails, I'm getting a lot of information about them, especially centered around what I do. So let me share my screen and show you how to create one of those quizzes really quick. This is one I'm working on for a client of mine. And she is teaching all about self-love, and she wants to start doing a lead generation that literally will connect her with a lot of clients that are, yay, I'm looking for you, or no, I'm not really looking for you. So she has two different outcomes for them. So you've got to find a really tricky, fun name. And it's the same as doing YouTube, right? You're going to find a name that will be either sex appeal, right? It's sexy, it's hot, it's like engaging, or something that drives up their curiosity. I just learned this the other day, so thank you, Ernesto. So what drives up their curiosity, and make that a short, fun title for the quiz. Find the same sort of photo on the side, something that's sexy or has sex appeal to it, or something that drives up their curiosity about this quiz. So these are your two catchers, right? When you're building this. And when I click to build, it's super easy. I'm just gonna put the quiz name in. By the way, this is Outgrow, and I'm gonna put my link where you can get a discount if you use it, but they also do have a free version. I'm all about getting the higher versions because I want to brand them. I want to make sure that when they see them, it's all about me, but it's called Outgrow. But when I do this, it's super easy, right? I'm collecting their name first. This is a key. Always ask for their name first. If they're not willing to give you their name at the beginning, they're not going to give it to you at the end after the quiz, or even before they get their answer when they take the quiz. Sometimes they don't even make it through the quiz. So here's number one key. Only do 5 to 7 questions. That's it. They get people's brain spans, which is why we do a lot of short videos. They're short, right? They don't want to hang in there with us for the long haul. And then we start asking questions, right? So with her, she has 2 outcomes. So we pick a fun picture, put in the question, 1 question, 4 multiple choice questions. These are the hottest ones that go really fast and get people's attention. She has 2 yeses, 2 nos, basically. And then once you put them in here, you have a way to connect them to what you created for the yes or the no. So they're not getting the same outcome. Yeses get an outcome. Those are my people, right? I want to drive them to me. I want to give them something free in that outcome that gives them more information about me. So those are a couple more tips, right? 1 question, 4 outcomes. If you're doing a two-parter, 2 of those should be for yes and 2 of those should be for no. And so you're filtering through your people quickly. That doesn't mean those no's aren't your people. You're going to send them through a different type of nurturing system that keeps them engaged with you till they get to know how amazing you are and want to be your people. So we go through, and she has several questions in here. So I'll just go through them real quickly. But here's the outcome, right? This is Body Love by Natasha. And this is the outcome. So you get to put in your outcome. She has 2. She has room for more love. So those are her people. They are looking to find a way to find some self-love. That she's put all of those triggering questions in there for her that knows they need some support and help. And so she has a different outcome for them. It has a different saying, different outcome. And those yeses that are blowing it up, they may think they're blowing it up, they're crushing it. She has a different outcome for them. And so depending on how they fit on the spectrum, that's what they'll get. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like on a quiz we've already done. So this is a different quiz. This is what it looks like when they see it. You can even check to see what it looks like on an iPad, what it looks like on a cell phone. But for this, I'm going to keep it here. So if I'm just going to type in my name real quickly, so you guys can see how you're collecting names. So I want to take this quiz. How well do you know your skin? So we're going to sex appeal on this one. Find out if you're missing the red flags of early aging. What woman doesn't want to miss that red flag? So let's go in here and start taking this quiz so you can see how fun it is and quickly it goes. We'll go through it very quickly. And just for the purposes of going through quickly, I'm just going to click on the first one. So we put in engaging photos with a quick question. This one has 4 outcomes, by the way. They're looking for people to give information on, because it's a skincare company called Clientele. They're looking to give out information on dry skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, and aging skin. So we have, each question is literally addressed to one of those outcomes. So it feels tight, we'll click on. This will go through super fast. I think they may have 8 questions. So we're just going to click the first one. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so we've clicked through the first set and look at the answer that pops up. She's given me a link to a free consultation because I'm her people and she wants to tell me more, a product of theirs that will work for them. So I can click here and go directly to their product. It gives me a little idea about what that might look like if my skin is oily and why these things are important. She's also given me another link down here. So I do 2 links so that they have, some people are button pushers and some people are link pushers. So they have 2 opportunities to go in. Here's the funnest part. And this is why you can make this go viral. If you take a little bit of time to make sure you perfect this, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If they say, she says, thank you down here. She did not want to say this, but I always put at the bottom of mine, share with your friends on social media, and they can click Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram and share this quiz. Hey friends, I took this, my outcome was such and such. See what yours is. And so now you've just engaged possibly hundreds of people to share your quiz on their platforms. So this is a super fun, easy way to start collecting people. So I know I was going to show you how to do an outcome, right? How to get really good performance on these. So there's a link up here. If you can see, it says configure, analyze. So we can even analyze to see what is working for us, what is not. These have not quite gone live yet. So it says that they're published, but they're not. Only me and the client knows about it till we make the final connections with their email server. But if you hit performance on here, we want to try to get this to 100%. And I'm telling you, it's not 100% because we don't have it connected to the right email server, but it'll tell me exactly how to do that, right? You have too many questions, you have too many outcomes, your final outcome is too long, but it'll give you an opportunity to go improve it. And once we can get this to 100 engagement, 100 conversion, 100 share, and 100 on acquisitions on what's coming in, that for me is a go. And I'm sort of OCD, so I do my best to get it. This one is gonna be a little bit of a problem because it just says that my image sizes are too, I need to change my image sizes to get better optimization. And so I definitely, because I'm OCD, I'm gonna try to go in and do that for her. But I wanna make sure that these all are 100, 100, 100, and this one gets to 100 so that when she sends us out, she has so much potential on going viral, getting tons of leads. Here's what she does with this. She adds this to her She's going to add this to her website. So it pops up, take my fun quiz, right? Because when people go to your website, are you collecting emails? No, you don't even know who's going there. But if a fraction of those people, let's say you get 100 people a week, I'm just going to say for a low website hit, I literally get thousands of people, and only 2% of those, 10% of those go and grab it. You're collecting emails you wouldn't have gotten before and sending them down that nurturing system. By the way, this is where your nurturing system will come into play. You're going to create a nurturing system here. And when you create this nurturing system, it'll trigger a series of emails. One should always be a thank you. Thank you so much for taking my quiz. I know that you registered under oily skin or need more self-love. Here's my real quick guide. They'll help you with 3 tips. It can be so easy. And then they'll get the second email. The second email is another what I call give. I would love to have you join my newsletter. I have a newsletter that goes out monthly. By the way, a give could be, I would love you to join my YouTube channel. Join my YouTube channel, join me on Instagram. Those are all gives. You're not asking for anything. You're giving them access to your social media. The third email should be that ask. Their ask is purchase a product, right? Purchase for her, it's purchase my services. And so it's always give, ask. And I actually will be doing a video all about give, ask and the science behind give, ask, which helps you build rapport and trust with your clients before they give you money, because nobody's going to give you money unless they trust you and have some sort of relationship with you. So this is how we create that relationship. By the way, I do this for clients all over the world and it works. So quizzes are a fun way to do this, a fun way to get engagement, to configure it to your websites, your Facebook groups. If you're speaking, give it to them. If you're a YouTuber or you're creating YouTube and you're finding a way to create more content or get out more lead generators, you can put this link in there and start creating that through your link. It's just, I give it everywhere. I literally, when you see me, you're going to see one of my quizzes so that at least I know I'm catching a ton of emails. Let me tell you where my emails are, just so you know. In 2 years, I built my emails from 800 emails to over 500,000. Here's another little secret. If you build it, they will come, right? Everybody's watched Build the Dreams. If you build it, they will come. What happens when they come? Cha-ching, cha-ching out of your pocket, right? For you to park those somewhere and be actively using them, which is what I do, because that's how I monetize my whole business. But when you park those, most servers charge you by the size. Having said that, by the time I got to 500,000, it wasn't a problem. It was like paying for the 800. So definitely create something fun, create something engaging. Make sure you're finding a short, quirky title that's either what did I ask for? Sexy, sex appeal, or curiosity, builds their curiosity, right? This is what people are saying. This is a secret no one will let me tell you. And it's got someone with tape over their mouth. And like, I want to tell, right? And so you want something that really drives them into that and makes them their curiosity peak, or they think, wow, that's hot. I want to see what's in there. So sex and curiosity sells, in case you didn't know, or gets people to open your links. This is a really fun way for you to have the abilities to go viral very quickly. Send them to me. I'll share them on my social media. Just reach out to me, follow my YouTube channel, reach out to me and say, Jana, I created a quiz. Do you mind getting this out on your social media? Heck yeah, I'm all about collaborating, not competition. So I will 100% share yours on mine. So you've got access now to 500,000 people, 500,000 people, once you create it and just share it with me, one person. So this is going to be a lot of fun. If you need any, if you have any questions or need any tips, just put them in the comments below. Please subscribe and follow me and hit your little alerts. So when something comes up, which will be about twice a week, you're going to get a lot of new information on building your brand, your business, and how to get more global exposure. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to listen to my YouTube channel. And if you've got all the way to the end, like I asked, I do have something free for you. So for those of you who don't know me, I also am the editor of Best Holistic Life magazine, and I give everybody a free subscription to the magazine. This is our April issue, and this is Dr. D. She's a naturopathic Doctor of Natural Medicine. Sorry, I want to make sure I get that right. And it's full of completely amazing stuff that you can read and articles. You'll get the free digital version of this. So all you have to do is go to bestholisticlife.com and hit free subscription, and you'll get a free subscription to our digital version. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful quiz building day. I'll talk to you soon.